Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this SanDisk SD card. I have the 128GB guys, and it holds a bunch of storage. I really love it. If you're thinking about getting a USB or an external drive to store all of your photos or videos, I would definitely recommend getting one of these first. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works. We're just going to place it into the little SD slot in my MacBook Air, and as soon as we put it into the slot guys, we're gonna see the little icon here in the computer. We're going to click on it. So as you can see, it was super fast to load, and then it has, I'm gonna show you all of the videos that I have stored in this SD card guys. I have a bunch of videos now on this folder. I have this many videos. I have more videos in here. I have more videos in the rest of the folders. As you can see, videos, all of these are literally videos, and I've only used 20GB of the entire SD card. 20GB. I have 100 more gigabytes of storage left. So I really love it guys. It has a bunch of storage in there, and in order to take it off, we're just going to click the eject, make sure that the icon disappears, and then we're going to take it out of the computer. But I really love it guys. It holds a bunch of storage. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for a good storage device to store all of your photos and videos. I would definitely recommend it. Great storage device. It's a 10 out of 10 for me.